Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Samsung Galaxy A06 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom, almost to the very bottom, to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see, here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case 16 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the other, which means the settings, for example. We can tap on this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, thanks to which we can check the total screen time again, but also notifications and unlocks. And of course we can change the weeks and compare the specific days between each other. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.